Let's open a Gardiner Pole Systems pole box as delivered and see how to assemble a pole for first use. With a pair of scissors, cut off the straps. And then open up the box. And let's open this up so you can have a see how this looks. So we have the pole held in its cardboard inserts. We have your paperwork and smaller fittings inside a bag. If you've ordered a hose pack, there comes the hose pack. And if you've ordered a brush, it's usually wrapped in some cardboard, complete with the brush socket fitted. Let's take the pole out now. Slide off the cardboard insert. Put those aside for the cycling. Slide off the PVC sleeve. Now let's open up our paperwork. Check that what we have delivered is correct. So inside here you'll have your paperwork, a packing slip, your invoice and the pole user guide. Important to read through the pole user guide completely before use. Some very important top tips and warranty instructions. Let's check off the packing list that we've got what we've ordered. So CLX 18. Yes, CLX 18 with a quick lock angle adapter. There we are, that's in the bag. And then an ultimate brush medium soft with 100-degree fan jets. These are in a smaller packet usually. All of these plastic bags are fully recyclable. So I'm going to fit the jets while I'm here. And they lock into place. And then also the jet hose, and that pushes into the jets really firmly, and you've assembled the brush. And then also in the bag you've got a free pen on this occasion. Put that to one side. So now let's put this together for use. Let's undo the pole hose pack. And I ordered this pole hose pack with an easy snap connector. That's for connecting to my hose reel. The other end comes fitted as standard with a female push fit connector. So let's open up this hose pack. Now this push fit female connector is designed to push onto the base of the angle adapter gooseneck. Now to do that we need to feed it up through the base of the pole. Let's do that. Simply feed it up. And it will come out the other end. So you push that on, like so, and then open the top clamp and slide in the gooseneck. Make sure you slide in the gooseneck fully so that it sits tight to the top of clamp number 1, and then close the lever. Now on some poles you might have to undo this a little to slide that in properly. Others might be a little loose. That one's about right. Now for first setup you notice that there's a bit of twisting action there. So we need to adjust the clamps for first use so that there's no twisting action. There, pole's now set up perfectly for first use. Adjust the angle adapter. Most times, most users will use it at that angle so it's a straight line from here. And now we fit the brush. The brush pushes onto the quick lock and then pushes on there the T-connector to the gooseneck hose. If you don't change the angle much, you can cut this bit of yellow hose shorter to have it as a tighter fit, but at that length it does allow you to change the angle to whatever you want for use. And there you've fully assembled the Gardiner Pole Systems pole, ready for first use.